Thanks for joining us. Finally got a voiceover to function properly on the video. I was having quite the issue there for a minute until I figured it all out. This is us riding out to a little waterfall that I cannot pronounce the name of by Big Sky. Look at all that dripping.
I think this looks so fragile.
I don't know if you can zoom in enough to even see it dripping. Yeah, you can. I tried to zoom in a little bit better so that you can see the names and whatnot visibly, but it got kind of blurry. But the bridge is pretty cool. There's a lot of, in memory of, or people got married, the family's name, all kinds of different events on the bridge. That's signs for runners and stuff like that, not for pertaining to us at all. I cut off the rest because it was me trying to walk down the slope holding the camera. Didn't work. In the back there, you can't really see it all that well, but there's like one of those, I'm assuming it was you get in the ball and go down the hill, some sort of tunnel looking thing. Or maybe it's for the ski lift. I have no idea, but it was very cool looking. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm hoping to get a few more done. We went quite a few places during the weekend this year on the bikes, of course. We didn't have a big vacation like the previous, and I still have yet to make the video of that. But hopefully I get some stuff done now that I can kind of familiar with this programming a little bit. I still have a lot to learn, but I'm getting there.